I am grateful to be working with my coworkers. My coworkers are wonderful people and I love them. We make each other's work life so much easier. They are smiling and are easygoing people from all walks of life. My coworkers treat me with fairness and only have good things to say about each other. I am happy to work with cool people who are understanding and chill. My coworkers are groovy and don't take life too seriously. We work together as a team and give each other compliments when due. I trust that the universe is matching me with friendly coworkers that match my personality, interests and demeanor. The universe is lovingly providing me with opportunities for bringing me and my coworkers closer together. I trust the universe to provide me with the wonderful opportunities to befriend my coworkers on a daily basis. We lunch together whenever we can and have fun eating together. All of us get to work at the right time and bring positive energy to work. We all put in the work wisely and complete our tasks efficiently. My coworkers and I respect each other and are proud to be working together. We are ourselves around each other just like friends. I love my job and I constantly strive to excel in it and be part of an intelligent, close-knit team. We talk things over and take each other's ideas into serious consideration and give credit where credit is due. My coworkers and I enjoy brainstorming and coming up with awesome ideas. I am happy at my job, it satisfies my creative and material needs. I love to work with my coworkers, they are sensational to achieve goals with. It makes me happy to be working with them, and we socialize together outside work hours, too. My coworkers are happy to be working with me, and provide me with a fun and safe environment. I am grateful for being able to work with such amazing coworkers. I wish only good things for my coworkers and they wish the same for me.